tunnels deep in stone. There his children safely grow while the wild waters flow. Every song the forest sings echoes through his painted wings. Where the water stays alive, that's where Kingfisher